lovely textiles with Marabu's fashion range. To prepare, cover the worktop generously with film and insert cardboard between the cushion covers. Wash any textiles to be sprayed to remove any finishes and fabric conditioners before decorating. Smooth the material until it is flat and place the silhouette stencil or another stencil in the required position. Tip: spray the stencil beforehand with Marabu stencil adhesive spray for particularly delicate motifs to ensure sharp contours. It is now possible to spray. Briefly shake the Marabu fashion spray and spray 2 to 3 times on a neutral surface. It is possible to work with one or several colors, either wet on wet or after being dried briefly, depending on the desired effect. The shorter the spraying distance from the textile, the more saturated the paint application. It is best to work from light to dark. It is also possible to work with more than one stencil depending on your requirements. After spraying carefully, remove the stencil and rinse it under cold water. Tip: to avoid any color stains on the textile, when the stencil is removed, carefully dab off any surplus paint on the stencil with kitchen towel. Then allow the cushion to dry for around 2 hours. To create pretty highlights on the cushion, simply paint on dots, lines, lettering or subtle embellishments using Marabu Fashion Liner. Drying time approximately 6 hours. The cushion is fixed with an iron to resist washes up to 40 degrees. Simply iron through a thin cloth for 3 minutes over a surface of 30 to 30 centimeters at cotton temperature without steam. Alternatively, fix in a preheated oven at 150 degrees for approximately 8 minutes. That's it! Anyone can apply their favorite style to t-shirts, bags, cushions and many other textiles with Marabu Fashion Spray. Enjoy experimenting!